Hi, this is Scott from Champion True Value with another expert hardware tip. A lot of our customers come into the store and say, we have some mold or mildew or algae on the outside of our home, on the bricks or the stucco or different things. So we have products to help take care of that. Many other people as well are getting letters from their HOA saying, hey, you've got to take care of this and deal with it. So I can show you some things that will help you with that. The first one is this product. It's a ready to spray product that you could just do if it's a lower area. Secondly, we have a product that you can mix up. It's a concentrate. We'll make 6 gallons. And finally, we have my favorite, which is the hook to hose. I use this at my home because some of the areas that I had were way up about at least 20, 25 feet up in the air. So I just hooked this to the hose and sprayed the product and then walked away. So a couple weeks later, I drove home from work and my wife is standing outside staring up and I said, what are you doing? She said, boy, I'm looking, that product you put on there is actually working. So it does, it works. And so I had a little bit left, so I was able to do a second application. What I liked about it was it's bleach free and it does not harm plants. So it's just a great way to easily get rid of some of the mold and mildew on the exterior of your home. So stop by Champion True Value at the corner of Champion Forest Drive and Lowetta Road for assistance with your next home improvement project.